Welcome to the Gemini Rotary Valve Rebuild for SodaWorks blasting systems. Let's get to know the Gemini Rotary Valve used on SodaWorks blast pots. Starting at the bottom, we have the red indicator knob. Moving clockwise, we have the actuator, then the air supply line, then the electrical supply line followed by the solenoid, pilot valve, and ball valve. The Gemini Rotary Valve will require its seats replaced every 150 to 200 hours of operation. When you notice air and/or soda leaking from the blast hose when the trigger is not activated, that generally indicates it is time to rebuild it. The suggested tools for this project include a utility knife, 2 adjustable wrenches, a 14-inch pipe wrench, an 18-inch pipe wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a clean, lint-free shop rag, and a bench vise. You will also need a Gemini Valve rebuild kit. This is available on our website, sodaworks.com. Note that the smaller nylon seal and washer are for the valve stem, which this video does not address. These items should only require replacement every 600 to 800 or more hours of operation. Alright, let's get started. 1. Remove solenoid from the pilot valve. 2. Disconnect the air line. 3. Disconnect union at the bottom of the blast pot. 4. Remove the screws on the valve bracket. 5. Disconnect the ball valve from the end plug. 6. Remove nylon seat from the end plug. 7. Clean residue from the end plug. 8. Install new nylon seat into the end plug. 9. Remove ball from inside the valve body. 10. Remove nylon seat from the interior of the valve body. 11. Clean the interior of the valve body. 12. Install new nylon seat into the valve body. 13. Lubricate valve ball and the end plug threads. Use food-grade mineral oil-based grease with PTFE. Food grade is optional. 14. Reinstall ball into the valve body. 15. Rethread the end plug into the valve body. 16. Secure end plug into the valve body. 17. Clean the actuator. 18. Secure the valve body to the actuator. 19. Reinstall valve assembly to the blast pot. 20. Reinstall the air line to the air regulator. And that's it. If you have any issues or questions, please feel free to reach out to us at sodaworks.com, at help@sodaworks.com, or at 888-910-7632.